This was the easiest of all the DIs, and it is actually very easy. You do not have to, understand who won, who lost, by whom. All you have to do is count the number of matches, and the work is done. So the question says, five teams participated in a recently played Premier Hockey League. As per the scheme of the tournament, every team has to play every other team five times. That is a total of 20 matches per team. And then points were awarded for win, lose, and tie. The following chart gives the number of matches won, matches lost, and matches tied by the five teams. So this is won, this is lost, and this is tied. And for Assam, the value is not known. So we just know that x plus y plus z is going to be 20. Another thing, total number of matches to be played should be how much, right? So each team has to play every other team five times. So there are a total of five teams going to play every other team five times. Okay, where are we? Okay, so total number of matches to be played is going to be 5c2. This many matches, and can we say that every match is going to be repeated five times? So total, matches is going to be 5 into 4 divided by 2 factorial into 5, an overall of 50 matches. So total 50 matches should be played. Whatever may be the 50 matches, those 50 matches are either going to be won or lost or tied. So their sum total should be equal to 50, right? So total number of wins, let's talk about this. This is 2 plus 7 plus 6 plus 10. So total number of wins is 25 plus x. Total number of losses, 15 plus 9 plus 12 plus 8 plus y. Okay. So can I say the number of wins, they are actually going to be equal to the number of losses, right? So we can calculate this as, this is 20, 30, 44 plus y. And total number of ties is going to be 7 plus 4, 11 plus z. Now, the only trick over here is the total number of ties, are they going to be 11 plus z or 11 plus z by 2? See, when a tie happens, it happens between two teams. But when a win happens, the number of wins or the total value goes to just one team, right? So the total number of ties, it looks out to be 11 plus z, but actually the total number of ties is going to be 11 plus z by 2. It looks to be 11 plus z. So if I say there were two ties, I mean we can see the value 2 over here, right? So when Bengal was given one of the tie points, one more point was distributed among the other with the other team. So should we count them as 2 or should we count them as 1? Right? There is only one tie and the points have been distributed. So from this, can we say that there is going to be either loss or a tie, right? So total number of wins. So total, first of all, let's say total number of matches played is equal to total number of losses plus number of ties. So number of ties is 11 plus z whole divided by 2. Also, total number of wins is equal to total number of losses. Right? Now let's solve the first equation. So on solving the first equation, we will have this as 6y plus z is equal to 1. Now it is given that the wins, the y and z, these cannot be negative, right? It's given as in these are the number of points awarded, the number of matches won or lost, sorry. So 2y plus z is 1. So the only option that can suffice, the only value that can suffice is y being 0 and z being 1. So y comes out to be 0, z comes out to be 1. Now if y is 0, we will have x as 44 minus 25, which will give the final answer as 19. So x is nothing but 19. See, the only trick or the only thing that need to be understood was over here. So let's answer the questions that follow. Find the value of x, already calculated 19. Find the value of y, already calculated 0. Find the value of z, already calculated 1.